Hey everyone, it's Tara. I wanted to document my process of making a photo album, scrapbook journal of sorts. Back in November, I went to visit my now husband. We got married while I was out there, and before we got married, we also went to Quebec. He lives in New Brunswick, and we drove to Quebec to celebrate our 1 year anniversary. And it's like a 6 hour drive from New Brunswick to Quebec, and we went to Quebec City. So we stopped along the way at a lot of little like tourist attractions and cute places, and I ended up taking a lot of photos. I purchased an Instax Mini while we were in Fredericton, and I had brought my Instax camera that's just like the regular size film, and I couldn't find any film for it. I think I found one pack, a 10 pack, and I forgot to like purchase before I left, and I tried to look to see if I could have some delivered to his house, but nothing would get there in time for the trip. So I was kind of bummed about that, and I never really wanted an Instax mini camera. I didn't think I would like the film size since it is so small, but I really wanted actual photos. And we were at Costco before we left for the trip, and there was like a purple Instax mini for a really good price, so I was just like, all right, let's do it. And I just bought that and a lot of film, and I ended up loving the camera, and I love the film size, and I took a bunch of photos, and I just wanted to have them all in one place and have some journaling and some little decorations and stuff to document our little road trip. And I might do a separate album for our actual wedding, since this one will probably be kind of big already, and I think I'd like to have them separate. Anyway, I bought some supplies from scrapbook.com. I got my purple scrapbook album. That's an 8x8 size. And I really went back and forth on sizes. I knew I didn't want a 12x12 because I think that size is hideous. I don't know why it's a thing. It's so big. Can we please stop making things 12x12? And I wanted something smaller than an 8x8. But I was looking around on like Amazon and other scrapbook sites to see about pages. And I couldn't really find a lot of different selection for the pages for other sizes. So I ended up getting the 8x8, and it's purple, so it fits. So I'm really happy with it. And the size isn't too big. It wasn't not really what I wanted, but it's not the worst. So as far as the pages, it did come with a few pages, like a full size page, and then some like 4x4s and other pages that I'm not really sure what they're called. I'm not really hip to scrapbook terminology or page protector terminology, but I got what I got, and I'm going to make it work probably with my fuse tool for the full-size pages and just making my own little pockets on those. It works, and it's cute, and I like it, and that's the scrapbook. I also bought a pack of full-size page protectors from Project Life in just the 8x8 size. This is probably overkill, but I figured I wanted a few extras for the full size, so if I use my fuse tool and mess it all up, I have some extras on hand, so I don't have to worry about the terrible fuse tool and using it terribly. I got some travel themed journaling cards that I thought would be cute to kind of either journal on or just like the phrases. They have like some words and stuff on them, little quotes, so I wanted to use those kind of next to the pictures, or just even as little backgrounds. And then I also got some married wedding themed journaling cards for a wedding album if I end up doing one. We'll see, because I don't know, it's a lot of work, but I do want to do it. We'll see. I hope so. On scrapbook.com, they also have sticker sheets for a lot of locations, and they happen to have one for Quebec. So I saw that and I was like, oh, I'll have to get this. And we ended up staying at the hotel castle that's pictured there that I'm pointing to. So that was really cool that they have a sticker for it. And I can find a lot of uses for those. Got some more wedding themed stuff, some stickers and some scrapbook papers for my maybe, hopefully, wedding album. Some more travel themed items, some die cuts that were really cute. I like the neutral blacks and everything, so I don't really have to worry about matching it to paper. They can kind of go on anything. This was a freebie actually, it looks like from scrapbook.com. I did not purchase the scrapbook paper. It's not really my style, but it's free and I'm sure I can find some uses for it. So that was pretty cool. I was really confused when I got it. I was like, I did not order this because this is not my thing. And then I looked at the little packing slip and yep, it was just a little free piece of papers. And more page protectors. I got some that were not just full page, they had the little pockets already in them, and there's still some full page ones, but I like the pre-made pockets, and yeah, I wanted to get those. And more wedding stickers apparently. I don't know why I got like the scrapbook sticker pack, and then I also got just the stickers for some reason. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm sure I can use them all, so ain't no thing. I'm really excited to start using these and making my little scrapbook, and I will see you guys shortly in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!